Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Nifty Trading Rules and Setup. And this is the post-market analysis of 15th of November today, which is the video number 10. And this is the 10th video that I'm preparing in my series. Friends, as you already know by this time, that before we start the market, we draw the previous day high, the previous day low. And if the market has moved from high to low, then I'll draw a resistance line. And at resistance line, I'm going to take a put. And if the market has moved from low to high, I will draw a support line, and at support line, I will take a call. So the market has moved from high to low. Therefore, there is a resistance line I have drawn, and I will take a put at the resistance line. Let me open the market quickly. The market opened at 18362. Now, this is below my resistance drawn line. Therefore, this line should act as a resistance for me. Now, in the event the market would have opened above this resistance line, then this line would not act as your resistance line. Okay, that means this line is not valid. Remember this point. If the market is below your resistance line, then only that is a resistance line. Otherwise, it is not a line at all. Now, had the market opened here, then I would have deleted this line and looked for the other resistance lines. Okay, so the market opened here, and that is 18362, and I'll plot 18362. Now, let us start the market. See, the first candle happened. It went up, but it closed below the resistance line. Good, very good. So it gives me a signal that yes, this is acting as a resistance line. The second candle happened, and it was a very big sudden candle. Now, logically, we could have taken a put here. But then a couple of things came to my mind. 18350 is the mother resistance or the mother support that has been broken. So this does not become a support now. But if I take a put here, then I have already identified 18325 as my major support point. Now, friends, remember one thing: whenever you take a put, your immediate focus should be where is my support? Where is my support? Where is my support? And whenever you take a call, your immediate focus should be where is my resistance? Where is my resistance? Now, friends, one more thing. Since I had identified 18325 as my major support, therefore, and the previous day low is only 15 points below, so I did not consider the previous day low as my major support point. I consider 18325 as my major support point. Clear? Now, if you remember, then, so here my thought process was that if I take a put, then my support is 18325, which is 18350 and 18325, 25 points only. So am I going to sit in the market for only 25 points? My answer is no. I'm going to sit in the market for at least 50, 60, 70, 80 points. Therefore, I decided that only if it breaks 18325, I am going to go short in the market by selling puts. And this is what I had mentioned here. At 925, if it breaks below 18325, then I shall go short selling. And then at 947, I said I'm selling calls now at 947. So this was at 915. Then after that, what happened? If you see here, the market came down, and 18325, it did not break. It took 1 point support. Okay, so I waited again. Next candle happened. This candle also did not break. It took a support from here. Now see, this candle broke, and that was the 935 candle. But this is my signal candle, so I'll wait for the next candle. So this candle broke, and this is my signal candle. So I'll wait for the next candle to give me a confirmation, and I shall then, after that only, I shall take a put. So I'll wait for the next candle. Next candle came down, but it formed green. Now see, friends, you have decided that at the break of this 18325, I shall take a put. So this is my signal candle. The confirmation candle did give you confirmation. The confirmation candle has to start from here. No? It has to start from below 18325. But it did not do that. It converted itself into green. So obviously, the market has still not given me a confirmation. Then I waited. Now, 947, 930, 945. And this candle formed, which gave me a confirmation. And at 940, actually, when I had written this, by the time I had already taken the put. So I first took the put. When this candle broke, it gave me confirmation. I took a I sold calls here. Okay. Then the market moved. What is my target? My target was this particular line here. This was my target, 18 to 40. And remember, friends, I will either give an SL to the market or I will take my target. And when I took this position, my SL was 18,325. Exactly 18,325, I get my SL. And I was very clear that if the market goes up and goes above 18,325, then I will take my SL and I will move ahead. So market, what did it do? It took support from here. There, see what it did. All of us know what it did. It came down. But see, and at this juncture, I think somewhere here I had mentioned to selling calls now. They confirmed. They came in, flirting with 200 EMA. My SL is 15. My SL is 15. One candle over 15 over 325. Continue to respect. Well, wait. I had mentioned here that those. Wait. Somewhere I had mentioned in my chat. I think trading in chat. I had mentioned that. Just a minute. Here. No, somewhere I had mentioned that. Okay, forget it. Book your shorts if you're in a put buy position. At 10:49 a.m. At 10:49 a.m. I clearly mentioned that book your shorts if you are in a put buy position. Why did I? So 10:49, which is 10:35, 10:45, and this candle at 10:49. I mentioned that book your shorts at 10:49. This candle, because what I saw is that the market is not behaving, is not going down further. Okay, so why those? Since I am in a sell position, since I had sold calls, so I was in advantageous position that I'll take care of the decay. I will get some decay in the market. But those who have bought calls, they would be in a so those who have bought puts would be in a difficult position if the market goes up further from here. So this is the time I said you book your profits. After that, what happened? The market came down, but what the market had done actually, if you see very carefully. Now, this was something which the market did. Previous day, if you see the previous day, now see here. One swing, two swing, three swing. So it took this particular dragonfly doji and took support and then moved ahead. Now, if I look into this candle, which is the 10:30 of Friday the 11th, if I go to the volume chart and look into 10:30 Friday the 11th, wait. I will take you there. 10:30, right? Let's see what happened and why it took support from there. Now, there was no reason for it to take support from there. I don't see any volume here also in the 10:30 candle. I really don't know. I have no idea why it took support from there, but it took support from there. If anybody can help me in understanding why it took support from there, I'll be more than grateful to you and I'll learn from you. So it took support. Then after that, 1, 2, and then I play the market now. So the market came down, took support. Now stop. What happened? Here, what happened? It came and broke 18,325. So people understand that when you have taken a particular short position and your SL you have kept, learn to take SL. I took SL. I took loss, but my loss was how much? Only 10 points. That's it. I was happy. I went and had my coffee and others. But then I also kept one thing in mind that this is my resistance point. If the market will again take a resistance from here and come down, then I am going to short further. But if it is breaking the resistance point and going up above 18,350, then I'll go long. Because see, a resistance that has taken from the start of the day, if it is breaking, that means there is enough strength in the market, and it's also moving from bottom to such a high. Clear? So let's see how the market moved. Now, if you see at any point of time, it is not breaking the resistance. It is taking resistance from here, coming here, going back, coming here, going back, coming here, going back. Okay. Now, this is one thing that it did, but it did not give any much profit. You could have taken a put here, but it will again go and hit your SL. See, it has not breaking the resistance. Now, since I had already taken SL here, I was just keeping quiet, not taking anything. Now, what happened? Here, it took a resistance. This candle also took a resistance. After that, it kept on playing with this resistance line. So, when it is playing at a particular line, when it's doing tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock at a particular, remember one thing very clearly. The moment it breaks that line, it will go up. Now, it broke and then it shot up. It broke and it shot up. Now, do you need to take a call here? My answer is yes. It is above 3 o'clock. It is before 3 o'clock. Had this move come after 3 o'clock, I would not have taken. But since this move came before 3 o'clock, remember before 3 o'clock, and it broke 18,350, which was the long-term resistance and long-term support. So and it broke that long-term resistance point. I took a call here and exited somewhere here. That's it. No, exited in this here. So that was the whole learning for the day. Clear? Market follows rules. If you have a resistance line, you can take a put. It will give you profits. Then consolidates. Wait for it to consolidate. Wait for it to break. Consolidate. The resistance line is there. It breaks the resistance line. Goes up. Then the resistance line is no more valid. Long-term resistance line is broken. You can take a call with a small SL and you can get the profits. Clear? So friends, objective is that whenever you're in the market, play very coolly, very calmly, very subtly, as if the market is your girlfriend. अपने बीवी की तरह market को देखो, प्यार करो market से. That's all from my side, friends. Thank you so much. Cheers. Sayonara. Bye-bye.